How to see all apps on Android. Hello everyone, this is Sabrina here to help you today. So, without any further ado, let's get right into the video. So, the first method is simply to go to your app drawer. If you want to find certain app, you will also have an option of a search bar where you can easily locate an app like this. The next option is go to settings, then go to apps, and all your apps that are installed in your device will appear over here. You can also use the search bar to locate a specific app. So that's it. Thank you for watching this video. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our YouTube channel. If you got any question, comment them down and I'll catch you in the next one.